Hello, Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to start on something I've been looking forward to working on for a long time. It is an Akaranger from Go Ranger, from the very first Sentai. Excited to work on this beautiful model by Designers. We're probably going to be working on 3 in this video. This one here will be for a customer, another one is for Pronghorn Heroes, and another one is for myself. I'm going to print the emblem up here out of my little printer, just haven't gotten there yet. I'm still printing mine currently. Mine has a little bit of a layer shift here, but it's for me. It's no big deal. Pronghorns I got to put on my other printer because it needs to be a little bit bigger. But yeah, beautiful model by Designers. Glad to have this. I can finally get one step closer to having every red helmet, or at least getting the banner for my YouTube I always wanted. So hopefully you'll see that soon. If we get this done, we should be good to go. So we're probably gonna put some spot putty on this first. Try hard not to get anything in. The emblem's gonna go, and of course the holes here. Shouldn't be too hard. Should be a pretty simple helmet. I mean, it's what, 3 colors? Red, silver, and dark blue. And it might be white around here, but I am not sure. I'll have to look at some reference. It's been a little bit since I've seen Go Ranger. So let's get to it. I totally missed sanding the spot up here, so we'll have to deal with that later. Other than that, I think it's hard to tell since it's still wet, but I think we're getting rid of that layer shift, so I'm hopeful about that. So let this dry, and then we'll move on to probably just doing touch-ups, I think. So that's the plan. These I just worked on during the week. I just put UV resin on them, let them cure, sanded with some 320. Wet sanded them up to 600, put some yellow on it, let them sit for a week, just mask the yellow off, and now we're just gonna put some Testors regular silver on here, not the diamond dust. So it's the plan, and it's going well. So with the customers, I did the red, white, and then the dark visor part. I'm gonna do it the opposite. I'm gonna do dark visor part, white, and then red. I think it's gonna work better. You know, lesson learned, so let's see how it goes. Okay, we are going to do the detail lines on this one and the one for Pronghorn Heroes, and then it'll be about time to clear, I hope. Alright, not super happy with the emblems on these. I just can't get them to sit right. So, I mean, we'll see how they look. I got gems cleared. I'm going to clear mine and hope it turns out okay. Alright, got the elastics and magnets in, so let's get to the Spinaround! And there it is. This is Akaranger finished, the very first Super Sentai helmet, the first Red Ranger. So happy to finally have this.
I think it turned out rather well. I know we worked on 3 in this video. The customer one turned out marvelous. It was so much better than this one. It's kind of sad. As you know, this one was a failed print. Had that huge layer shift and all that. I think we got it mostly out. You can't even tell. A couple things that, you know, could have went better. Wish the emblem was a little more flush, but, you know, not everything's perfect. These probably been better printed in resin or something. I'm not sure. And as you saw, the big one for Pronghorn Heroes fell. It was a whole thing. Yeah, really over that helmet, but it's together. It's good. It's headed their way. Hopefully they enjoy it. I believe they're going to do an unboxing for it or something, so hopefully you'll be able to check that out on their channel, Pronghorn Heroes. I'll put them down in the description as well, so you can give it a look once they get it up there. But I'm so happy to have this. I've been wanting this helmet for a long time. Just all the Go Rangers, pretty much. I have a pink I did that was a Peppercorn conversion, and it's not very good, but, you know, it suffices for now. But having an actual one, this is this beautiful file by the Zackers, and I'm currently paying 3D Command Center. I commissioned him to do the rest of the Go Rangers, so we will have the whole team coming soon, I promise. I really wanted this one done for a couple photo things I want to do. It might not be the best, but I'm happy with it, and I think it looks really good. So thanks for watching. As always, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays and Props. Down in the description is my link tree with a link to the Discord. Come hang out. Lots of people there. We talk about props, toku, all kinds of stuff. Friendly people. Patreon, we got the $1 tier kicking, exclusive videos, files, community builds, you know, little stuff in between as well. So come check that out. And the merch store just got some new merch up. Speaking of merch, Toku head shirts by Pronghorn Heroes. Go check them out. They also have some new cool, like Kamen Rider-esque helmets they just put up too that I need to get, but just haven't got around to yet. It just came out like last week. So check them out. Check my merch store out. The cool full Gokai stick by M4 Mighty. It's awesome. If there's any helmets you want to see, let me know. Very open to suggestions. We have everything coming, I believe, that was asked for, so stay tuned. But thanks for watching, and have a great day.